You've taken my quiz and you don't really understand what it means. The first two are pretty self-explanatory. Color contrast means how much contrast there is from the lightest to the darkest colors, and design intensity in its most basic form is minimalist to maximal, but it's more than just that because it's also the amount of visual texture in the space. So a place could be maximal but not have a lot of clutter if it had lots of wallpaper and decorative elements in the space. But this last preference is the most complicated to understand and is actually the secret sauce to the decodna interior design personality system. And because I don't want to gatekeep, I have offered the decodna primer. It tells you just the basics of all the different preferences. It is for free, and you can find it by going to www.decodna.com/primer. I'll put a link in the caption so you can go there and download it for free.